Sophia, yesterday my father was saying that these days communication on the internet takes no time. I didn't understand this. Yes, Romy, this is true. These days communication is very easy and fast using the internet. How is this possible? Please tell me about it. Okay, Romy, let us learn about communication on internet in this chapter. The internet is the most popular and widely used resource for communication and sharing data nowadays. The whole world is able to communicate with each other using the internet. So, the most popular use of the internet these days is communication. There are various communication services like email, Usenet, blog, and internet telephony which allow us to connect and share our thoughts and views with anyone and almost everyone in the world while sitting at our own place. The internet is an easy, sophisticated, and a cost-effective mode of communication. It is a global network of computers that provides many different communication services at affordable rates. Let us explore some such services in this chapter. Communication. One of the most important features of the internet is communication. The internet has made communication a lot easier and quicker. We can easily and quickly communicate, interact, and share data such as text files, pictures, videos, audios, etc. with others using the internet. It is a powerful communication tool and also a worldwide network of information resources. Internet-based communication tools. There are different types of internet-based communication tools. Some of them are email, social networking, chatting or instant messaging, e-greetings, e-community, blogs, groups. Let us learn about them. Electronic mail, email. Email is a communication system that sends and receives messages via internet by using specific email addresses, even known as email IDs. It is a widely used internet-based communication tool that identifies the receiver with an address similar to the postal mailing system. An email address identifies a location on the internet where an email can be sent. Free email facility is provided on many websites. Email is managed by mail services. Some of the mail servers available are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Rediff Mail, etc. Any kind of information such as text messages, music files, video files, images, etc. can be sent and received through the email. It stores mails in the inbox and allows the user to read them anytime, any place or location. agarwalsons@gmail.com is an example of an email ID. Advantages of an email. There are many advantages of email over the traditional mailing system. Some of them are as follows. We can send and receive emails very fast from anywhere in the world. As compared to other systems, email is an economical and an effective mode of communication as it takes less time. Any type of files and attachments can be sent and received through an email. There are negligible chances of a message being lost. Creating an email account. We can easily create an email account by following some simple steps. The steps for creating an email account are as follows. Step 1. Open any web browser, for example Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Step 2. Type any of the email service provider's name in the address bar of the browser. For example, type http://www.gmail.com. Step 3. Click on the Create Account button. Step 4. A registration form will appear. Fill in the registration form with the details asked and submit it. Step 5. A message will appear congratulating us for creating our account. Now, click on the Show Me My Account button. Step 6. Now our account is created. Click on the Sign Out button to be logged out from here. Using an email account. After creating an email account, we can use it for sending and receiving the emails. For using an email account, we must sign in our email account using our email ID, username and password. The features of all email accounts are almost the same, but their login or sign-in system may be different. The inbox consists of all received emails. Each email has a header which shows that who has sent the mail, time and date when the mail was sent. The contents appear once we click on it. Composing a mail. We can create a new mail which we want to send to someone by using the Compose option. For creating a mail and sending it to someone, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Compose button. A blank screen is displayed. Step 2. Write the email ID of the person to whom we want to send the email in the To box. Step 3. Also write subject of the email message in the subject box. Step 4. Type the email message in the white blank area. Step 5. Click on the Send button to send the email. Social networking through social media sites. Social networking has become an important aspect of life for people around the world. Online communities that let people come together, communicate and share things such as pictures, videos, projects, etc., which are known as social networking or social media sites. These sites are great fun for people. Some examples of popular social networking sites are Facebook, Meta, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. Accounts can be created on these sites for being a part of the social network. Chatting or instant messaging is another communication tool which is commonly used. Using the social networking sites, people can see each other and talk through the web cameras using the microphones. Let us learn about some social networking websites. Facebook and Meta. Facebook is the most popular and widely used social media website where users can share status, updates, pictures, videos and web content with their friends. Facebook has changed its name to Meta, which means after or beyond. Mark Zuckerberg, an alumnus of Harvard University, founded Facebook in 2004 when he was studying. Initially, only Harvard University students were allowed to become a member of the Facebook community. Later, membership was made available to many other universities and afterwards to general public. We need to be a registered member for using the Facebook. We can fill in all our personal information in our profile after registering ourselves. Common interest groups can also be formed by the users. Many companies have found their own Facebook pages. It helps to connect and communicate with clients and customers, especially young people. Instagram. Instagram is a popular social application for instantly enhancing photographs and videos with amazing effects and then sharing them across a number of social media websites. Twitter. Twitter is a free social networking website where users can post small character messages known as tweets visible to their followers. It was launched in the year 2006 and was released by an American company, Audio. It is used by many celebrities and famous personalities to connect with their fans. Twitter has increased its character limit to 280 characters. But if we want to obtain greater engagement, our tweet should contain between 71 and 100 characters. Usually tweets are public, but private messages can also be sent by creating a private profile where only the users we accept can view our tweets. Pinterest. Pinterest is a free pinboard-style photo-sharing site and application where users can create and manage theme-based image collections like interests, hobbies, and recipes. It stores actual copies, not only thumbnails and links of the images being pinned. Chats, instant messaging, and news groups. Communicating instantly with each other or the people sitting far away from us is very easy using instant messaging and chat programs. We can also communicate with many other users using news groups, but the communication is not instant. Chat rooms, the service in which multiple users talk to each other in real time by posting the messages on topics of common interest, is known as chat room. Chat room facility is offered by many websites. Some of the common ones are chatkaro.in, Yahoo Chat, Gmail Chat, etc. Instant messaging, a communication service over the internet which allows instant transmission of text-based messages from the sender to receiver, is known as instant messaging. It also offers text-based two-way message exchange in real time. It is different from online chatting as it takes place between the known users, whereas online chat takes place between unknown users as well. In instant messaging, people who are invited by the users are included. It is like a private chat room. A list of friends is created on instant messaging. When the message arrives, an alert is popped up. Some examples of instant messaging are WhatsApp, Hike, Messenger, Hangout, GeoChat, Telegram, Line, Skype, etc. News groups. News groups are similar to email except the messages which are not posted to someone's mailbox. They are posted on the bulletin board where it can be read and responded to by any member. In this way, discussion takes place among several people. The main difference between the news group and the chat room is that there is no instant communication in the news group like in the chat room. A number of news groups are there on the web. They are organized in hierarchy of dots and names and are read from right to left. We can join any of the news group of our interest and subscribe to the newsletter of that group. Some examples of the news group are comp.ai, Artificial Intelligence, misc.legal.moderated, a moderated legal forum, sci.bio.botany, Scientific Topics, soc.culture.india, Social Issues and Various Culture, alt.arts.poetry.comments, for poetry and poetry critic, rec.woodworking, general discussion of woodworking, and many more. Blogs, a website in which articles are posted regularly and displayed on reverse sequential order, is known as a blog. Blog entries have the text, hypertext, images, links to other web pages, audios, videos, etc. A blog focuses on the area of interest. The blogs of celebrities discuss personal experiences. Authoring, maintaining or adding an article on existing blog is known as blogging. Blog posts are individual articles on the blog. There were only 23 blogs on the internet in 1999, which increased to nearly 200 million blogs in 2012. And now the number has increased even more. Some of the blogging websites that allow us to create our blogs are www.blogspot.com, www.blogger.com, etc. E-greetings. An electronic card or e-card is similar to postcard or a greeting card. The only difference between the two is that e-card is created using digital media instead of paper or other traditional materials. There are many websites like www.riversongs.com and www.123greetings.com, which offer a broad range of greeting cards to be sent on special occasions. We can select a card and send it to someone on his or her email account using any of these websites. Sending e-greeting card is a cost-effective and an environment-friendly option nowadays. Data and resource sharing. There are many services available on the internet that allow us to share resources like data, audio and video at reasonable rates. Let us learn about such services. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is an emerging internet computing technology, also known as on-the-line computing. It is a kind of internet-based computing service that provides access to data and shared processing resources on demand. Cloud computing uses the internet and central remote servers to maintain data and application. Cloud computing services are the solutions and services that are delivered and consumed in real time over the internet. For example, when we store our photos on a social networking site or using any online service like Picasa, we are using cloud computing service. We are not at all bothered about where our pictures are being stored in this case. These can be stored anywhere on the internet storage space cloud. Cloud computing is a delivery model of computing services over the internet. It enables real-time development, deployment, and delivery of broad range of products, services, and solutions. It has become a highly demanded service or utility due to the advantages of high computing power, low cost of services, high performance, scalability, accessibility, as well as availability. YouTube. YouTube is an online public communication site. We can view and upload videos on any topic in the world on it. This website allows registered users to upload and make their videos available for people. It gives a platform to all budding artists to share their work with the public. Anyone who visits the site can view the videos that are posted on it. The videos can be from beginner videos to more professional videos. We can put videos on almost any topic on the YouTube site. We can also watch just about anything on YouTube. There are some great videos on YouTube that are very interesting and entertaining and will never be seen anywhere else. We can find a wide variety of different videos on YouTube. There are learning videos, entertainment, comedy, action, music, marketing, etc. This is also a great way to get to run ongoing information about new products or services to the same people as well as new people. It offers a reasonable way of advertising also. Internet telephony. A group of hardware and software that enables people to use the internet as transmission medium for telephone calls can be termed as internet telephony. Internet telephony software essentially provides free telephone calls anywhere in the world to users who have internet access. There are many internet telephony applications available like Skype, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, CoolTalk and NetMeeting. One of the most popular voice-over IP services is Skype. Skype is very easy to install and use, and it even allows us to have a video conference. It enables the users to talk face-to-face on video call to friends and family. We share images, text, video, and many other things through Skype, and may also send both text and video messages. Some secret Skype features are as follows: hotkeys, screen sharing, send contacts, hidden emoticons, edit the messages, call quality identifier, Facebook integration, play games with Skype contact, dictionary, internet, international network, email, electronic mail, tweet, short messages sent on twitter.com, IM, instant messenger, inbox, stores received email messages, attachment, a text file, Excel file, a photo, etc. that can be sent through email, internet telephony, a facility to call using the internet, VoIP, voice over internet protocol. Let's refresh. Internet is a network of networks surrounded by millions of computers which are interconnected. The most widely used internet-based communication tool is the internet. Social networking sites are online communities which let people come together, communicate, and share things such as pictures, videos, projects, etc. Inbox consists of all the received emails. For composing and sending emails, it is necessary to have an email ID and the password. Websites offering online chat facilities is known as chat room. Blog is a website on which articles are posted regularly and displayed in a reverse sequence. Communication over the internet is very popular nowadays because it is very fast and easily accessible. Cloud computing is the technology which uses the internet and central remote servers to hold data and applications.